Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are reviewing and testing the new Revolution lip shape lip kits. So these are a 3-in-1 maxi pout lip liner, color setter and lip gloss. These are like refi dupes, so I'm so excited to get these on my lips. I obviously have all the shades here. There are 6 shades to choose from. We have brown nude, rose pink, warm nude, chauffeur nude, which chauffeur is like an OG, cocoa brown and pink nude. First of all, let me just say, if it is loud outside, I've got the windows open because it is boiling, so we need a bit of windows. Okay, so let's I don't know which one to start with. I feel like we should start with pink nude first and go for the pinks first and then go for like the browns. So this one is called pink nude. This is what the packaging looks like. It's actually gorgeous packaging. I do love lip kits from Revolution. I've got tons now. I should actually, and I've got them all in their boxes. I have filmed like the lip kits that were launched, I think it was May or June time. They launched like 4 extra shades of their lip contour kit. So I do have that will go up after this video at some point. But yeah, let's just show you. So you get a lip liner like that. Nice little retractable crayon. Then you get, I have tried one of these. I've tried the rose pink and love it. Then you get like this setter to set the lip line with. And then you get the gloss, which is exactly the same shade as the liner. Let's just start this one off. Let me just show you a swatch of it first. Obviously, I'm not going to swatch the setter. Ooh, that is a nice pink there. And the gloss is meant to be, I believe, the same shade, because that's what it was like for the other one. Just a bit more glossy. A little bit deeper. So yeah. If you're wondering what's on my lips, I have Rimmel New Lip Liner in Brownie Pie. And then I have the red lip balm type thing from Rimmel too. I did like a little TikTok with them because I've got the berry one and the red one. I think it's called cherry red or something. TikTok should be up soon because I'm trying to film more lip TikToks and cheek ones. So let's get into swatching this one. I'm not putting the setter on because I do want to just kind of like show you the colours, but I will probably put the setter on at the end. But it is really nice because the setter just literally doesn't feel like you're wearing anything. It kind of just dries your lip liner down. So I'll do that for you at the end, and it's literally just clear, like just clear. Yeah, so I will try that at the end, but for now, this is a beautiful cool tone pink. I'm really loving it. The next one we're going to try is got to be another pink one, which is rose pink. This one was one of my favourites. I love this one and cocoa brown, and I feel like we should do an ombre at the end, and that's when we should use the lip setter. What do you guys think? This shade rose pink, I've swatched it right here. This is gorgeous. I feel like it's just that little bit more like brownier toned, rosier tone. Like it's definitely got hints of brown in there more than the other pink. That's like a true pink. That's like more like it says rosy pink. I love that they've called the names what is actually on the tube as well. I forgot, I haven't actually shown you what they look like, the tube for the gloss. So it's actually just like one of those glosses you used to have in school. I don't really like it because look at the applicator. I feel like that's just going to get messy and I'm going to have to keep cleaning it, which is going to annoy me. But it is a really stunning colour. So the next ones look more like brownier tones. So we're going to go for the shade warm nude, which is this shade here. And you know what I like about the packaging, it shows you step 1, step 2, step 3. So love that. Okay, this shade is really nice. I don't know if I'm more of a cool tone girl or a warm tone girl when it comes to lipsticks, but I'm loving this. I do love the rosy one, but this one is just, I don't know, like maybe because it matches my hair a bit. Could you imagine like a cool smoky eye with this? I think this colour is gorgeous. Also on the packaging, I don't know if I've said this, but it actually says like what shade is the gloss. So that one was warm nude, and then it actually, thank fuck, on the bottom has like the shade of the crayon too, because I find that sometimes lately Rev have not been putting the names on the products and just the boxes. They did that with, what's that thing that the pout balms. I can't get rid of the boxes yet until like I make a label for it. So yeah, that shade is warm nude. What do you guys think? Have you got any favorites so far? Okay, now I think we should go for chauffeur nude. Okay, for you nude lovers out there, you're gonna love this shade. This is chauffeur nude, and it's definitely a nice little, I don't know whether I'd say it's a pinky nude. I don't know. It's just a normal brown nude. It kind of looks pink on my lips because my lips are very much pink underneath, so I can see that it looks like there's hints of pink in it, but it's definitely, if you look on my hand, it's definitely a brown tone nude. So I'd love to see this on other skin tones. This is a really gorgeous shade. Oh, I love it. I really do. Next shade we're gonna have to go for is this shade here called brown nude, and hopefully I love this as much as I've loved the rest of them, because do you know what, at this point I don't know which one is my favorite. This shade is gorgeous. This is like a really nice orangey tone brown. I'm loving it. Like as soon as I put the lip liner on, the lip liner was as bright as the bloody gloss. Like it matches it perfectly. I feel like the glosses on my hand look a little bit deeper than the liners because they're a bit more thicker, but in actuality they're like the exact same shades. This colour, oh, I can't stop staring at it. It's like an orange. There's hints of orange in there and I love it. This is kind of shade that would be perfect for autumn, just when you're transitioning into winter. I think I found my perfect autumn colour. This has got to be it. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. The last shade we've got is Cocoa Brown. I am loving the names of these. BRB. This one is just so gorgeous, so pigmented. The gloss is so much more pigmented than the liner. I was loving it. So a little bit of this one goes a long way, because let's just say I got so much around my lips that I just had to overline a little bit more. But this colour is gorgeous. I love it. And I love that the box matches the colours too. I don't think I have a negative thing to say about these. So what I want to do is I quickly want to do like a little combo off camera. I'll set the lip liner and then like I'll come and show you how it dries down. Definitely got to use the Cocoa lip liner, but I'm not sure, like I love the shade of the rose pink with it. This one, sorry, rose pink with it. By the way, these cost $7.99. I think that's a little bit too steep in my personal opinion. $6.99 would have been bang on. $5.99 even, because to be fair, I get it's 3 products but you get 2 items, and the lip contour kits are $5.99, so I would have rather have seen like $5.99 than $7.99. So let me just go and do a little lip combo and then I'll be back. I've put the Cocoa lip liner on and I've put it all over my lips. I just wanted to show you guys how the setter works. Let's just do it in real time. I have seen a TikTok where they only use it on the outline, like they line their lips on the outline and use it, but if it's meant to make the lip liner set, then I'd rather the lip liner all over my lips, so then that way if I'm eating and the gloss goes, the lip liner's still there. And then let's try, oh, there's a nice breeze. Whew, that's so nice. Let's try the rose pink gloss. It's like a barrier. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me just go a little bit closer. But it's like a barrier, like the gloss. You can't manipulate the liner with the gloss. I know for a fact they're not transfer proof because I did the kiss test when I tried one the other day, but I tried the liner and the gloss, so I didn't see how much of a barrier there was. But you know what, I'm not mad at it, because once you kind of manipulate with your fingers, it actually does blend in quite nicely. So the gloss isn't sticky at all. It's a very different texture now that the setter is on. My lips feel like I'm wearing a satin lipstick. Doesn't feel like there's too much product on my lips. Okay, I'm glad that I tested that properly for you guys. I actually really liked that. So yeah, let's go over my final thoughts. There is a lovely colour selection here. So it's like you get a couple of pinks, some warm tones and some cool tone browns. Love that. There's a nice few nudes in there too. I love the texture when you put the setter on. It's weird at first because it's like the gloss doesn't like seep into your lips, but you just move it around, manipulate it, and yeah, it just works. Like you can get a nice combo, but just be patient with the formula once the setter is on your liner. Liners are creamy AF. Like if you want a nice retractable liner, they are. And the last thing I want to kind of say is the price point is not my favorite thing. I feel like a little bit cheaper and I would have been happy. However, if you use my friend Luce's code, Luce20, you'll get 20% off your order, which I did. Actually, no, I didn't, because they were on 3 for 2. But usually I do use her code. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!